Hey Jerusalem Avenue, is Mr. Z here, coming at you live from home. Well, not so live, but remote from home. Today in technology, you are going to be doing a holiday glog. So for those who have not done a glog yet, I'm going to show you how to do this on this video. After you log in with the username and password that was provided, you are going to see the main screen like this. Once you're here, you're going to click on the Create New Glog. It's going to give you an option for blank portrait or blank landscape. For this example, I will do blank portrait. Click on the blank portrait. It's going to open it up to a blank template. And here you go. Here's the start of your glog. All right. So what you will do here is first pick the background color. You'll go to wall. Since it's a holiday glog, we're going to go to solid color and pick a holiday color. My favorite color is green, so green it is. Changes my background color. Next thing, I will do a text, which I want to make a headline or a title. Click on text, headline. Okay. Here you will see it will open up. You're going to add your text here. Usually a double click will open it up and you change it. My title is going to be Happy Holidays. Here you can change the colors, the size, the font. We really want to see your creativity, so it's all up to you. I like to put mine right in the middle. Perfect. All right. I can get a little crazy here and add a frame by pressing the plus sign. Okay, and it has all these decorators. All right, I'm going to keep it simple. And pick a decorator of my choice. Boom. Play around with it, size it, however you want. Remember, it's your glog. Next, we want to add pictures. How do you add pictures? Real easy. You go to the arrow and add. Here you have a lot of choices. I want to go to Web Picker. Okay. Right here is going to search images on Google, so I'm going to say holiday pictures. It's going to bring you to a bunch of holiday pictures. So I'm going to show you a little trick if you're using the laptop to make it a little easier. You're going to hold down spacebar and drag this window open, okay? It just gives me two views now. So as you see, I have two windows open. I'm going to play with the size, make it a little smaller. All right. And then click on the background of my glog. Then click on where my images are. And I can drag images over. Sometimes we'll click on it, you just go back. Drag images over. And as you can see, it's going to convert it to a picture. And you are starting your glog. And again, you can play around with it, size it, you can decorate it, give it a frame, however you will like. You can go back here if you're into the Christmas. You can click on Christmas, and you have all these cool images to choose from. I'd like to remind everybody to please remember to be appropriate. There are sometimes some pictures are on the internet that aren't so appropriate. I trust your judgment, and please just pick the right ones. So here we go, we're still loading. Again, choose a decorator, size it, good to go. Okay. Again, you can play around with it however you would like. You can add as many pictures as you want. You just want to make sure you move the pictures around so it covers up all the space. You can add more decorators. We can more paragraphs or like a word bank. Okay, so if I choose paragraph, again, if you make a mistake, there's a trash bin here. You just exit out, and we can say a little something. Double click. Remember. We wish you a very happy holidays. see you in 2021. And again, change the font if you like. Make it bigger. Bold it, however you like. And again, if you want, you can choose a decorator. All right, and like I said, you have many, many to choose from. So it's really up to you to make the Glog stand out. Again, we're looking for your creativity and your design skills. So when you're done, you're going to click on the X, save it as your name and the title of your Glog. Click on Finished and Save. This will save it for you. Just tell your teacher when you're done. I'll take a look and I will send it to you guys on your team page. All right? So happy glogging. I'll see you real soon.